Hello Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it and God bless you all. Tignan natin mga mensahe ninyo for the week. Be patient, all is well. Ayan, Leo, napakaganda, napaka-powerful na message na to, no? Be patient because all is well. You have nothing to worry about. There's nothing to fear. There's nothing to worry because lahat naman ay nasa ayos, no? Yung parang everything is unfolding according to the divine plan, kumbaga, no, Leo? Kaya parang guaranteed, no? Parang binibigyan kayo dito ng guarantee na lahat ay nasa ayos. All is well. Kaya, ang kailangan mo na lang is magpasensya, no? Maghintay ng divine timing. It's because maaring kung ano man yung ine-expect ninyo, ano man yung hinihintay ninyo, maybe it's not happening, diba? According to your will, according to the timeline na ina-expect ninyo ang mga bagay-bagay. Kaya, nire-request kayo dito ng Spirit to be patient. No? Be patient dahil everything is being taken care of. Kumbaga, no? You just have to wait dahil maaring, yun nga, kung ano ang gusto ninyo, maaring hindi pa nangyayari. It's because maybe it's not at the right time yet, diba? Everything is divine timing. And always remember that divine timing is never early, never late. Talagang dumadating yan. Nangyayari yan sa panahon, no? Na tama na ang timing, kumbaga, no? So, what else? We have, what seems impossible is possible. Believe. Kaya, yun, magtiwala kayo, no? Na walang imposible, no? With God. Everything is possible with God. Kahit iniisip ninyo or inaakala ninyo na sobrang imposibleng mangyari, sobrang mahirap, no? Parang you know, sobra talagang impossible sa judgment niyo. But you know what? Magtiwala kayo dahil with God everything is possible, no? Kahit mahirap paniwalaan, talagang time will come na talagang maniniwala na lang kayo, 'di ba? Na talagang mangyayari kahit sobrang hirap, kahit sobrang imposible, no? So what else for Leo? So we have no. Ayan, maybe may magsasabi sa inyo ng no, or maybe kayo yung magsasabi ng no. Maaring meron kayong i-reject, no? Maaring something, no, na ino-offer sa inyo, maaring you're going to say no to that. Maaring din naman na merong magsasabi sa inyo or merong mag-aano sa inyo, may mag-uutos, kumbaga, and maybe you're going to say no to that, no? Maaring may magre-request sa iyo for you to do something, pero maybe, you know, i-refuse nyo yan. So, maaring ganun ang ganap. Yan ang napipick up ko. So, what else? We have peaceful resolution. Ayan. So, for some of you, Leo, maaring may nagkaroon kayo ng hindi pagkakaintindihan with another person in the past, or maybe recently, no? Maaring may gap, no, between you and another person. But now, you know, meron ditong parang miracle na mangyayari and you will come up with a peaceful resolution, diba? Maaring nagkaroon kayo ng hindi pagkakaintindihan, and then ngayon maaring mag-uusap na kayo, no? Maaring meron ditong pag-uusap, magna-negotiate, maaring ganon, or you know, magdi-discuss kayo kung ano na ang mga nangyari, bakit nangyari ang nangyari, yung mga ganon, and you will come up with a peaceful resolution. So this is really beautiful because it's December, it's Christmas season, so tama lang, diba, na we choose love, no? We choose love. Ooh, wow, this is really awesome. Big happy changes. Napakalaki at masayang pagbabago. Napaka-positibo ng pagbabagong ito na maaring mangyari sa ibang parte ng buhay ninyo, Leo. So this is really, really gorgeous talaga. Big happy changes, no? Napakagandang sitwasyon ito. It could be in any area of life. Kayo lang ang tanging nakakaalam kung anong sitwasyon yan sa buhay ninyo na maaaring magkakaroon ng malaking pagbabago. At hindi lang malaking pagbabago, talagang masayang-masaya kayo dito, no? So what else? We have Freya, phases and cycles. There is a beginning within every ending. Illusions are revealed and released. Ayan, so maganda, no? Ano pick up ko agad-agad dito, Leo, maaring dito sa peaceful resolution na to, talagang magkakaroon kayo dito ng parang rebirth, no? Nang kung sino man ito na nakagalit ninyo, or yung nagkaroon kayo ng medyo rough patch, no? Kung sino man yan sa buhay ninyo, parang magkakaroon kayo dito ng rebirth, no? Yung relationship ninyo with each other, kung kaibigan man yan, person ninyo man yan, or kamag-anak, no, whoever that is, you're going to to start again, start fresh, no, sa kung ano man ang klaseng relationship na meron kayo with that person, no. Yun ang napipick up ko dyan. And talaga, no, mag-i-end na yung ano ninyo, yung hindi pagkakaintindihan, mag-i-end na yung away ninyo, at ngayon magsisimula kayong muli, no, na mas maganda, mas harmonious, mas loving ang inyong relationship. So yun ang napipick up ko dyan for some of you. What else? So we have Bridget, inner strength, move back to wholeness, recognize that you have the power. Ayan, alam mo, ano pick up ko dito din, Leo, maaari talaga, siguro kayo yung mag-step up as the bigger person dito, no? At maaring kayo yung magpapakumbaba, kayo yung mag-i-initiate ng conversation, dito sa kung sino man ang nagkaroon kayo ng rough patch with, maaring kayo yung maglalakas ng loob talaga, no? Na magbukas muli ng inyong communication lines, no? Kayo yung mag-i-initiate ng conversation, maaaring kayo yung makikipag-usap una, kayo yung magre-reach out to that person, no? So yun ang napipick up ko dito. Kaya kailangan nyo talaga na i-activate, no, yung inyong inner strength and courage for you to be able to step up as the bigger person, no? So what else? We have soul expansion. Ayan, Mahavatar Babaji. Your consciousness is expanding. You understand the connections between all things. Ayan. So talagang yung parang nagmamature na talaga kayo, or maybe parang emotionally matured na talaga kayo dito. Yan ang napipick up ko dito for some of you. Kaya naman ang sitwasyon na to, no, yung kanina na maaaring may rough patch kayo with another person, you're going through a lot, no, dito. At talagang may mga gagawin kayo ditong extra effort, no, para mas maging maayos ng inyong relationship. Kasi mas kayo yung nakakaintindi, mas kayo yung mas emotionally matured kayo, kaya you are stepping up as the bigger person dito. So yan ang napipick up ko. So we have Kuan Yin, ayan, care and compassion, choose to be love, yan, do what is right for everyone involved, offer a helping hand, ayan. So definitely, no, this is still related to this situation dito, Leo. Yun talaga napipick up ko na kayo, very compassionate kayo, very loving, very forgiving, at saka napakalaki din ng inyong puso. No, you're choosing love dito instead of yung pride ninyo, instead na pagganahin ninyo ang pride ninyo, imbes na pagganahin ninyo dito yung galit din, instead of choosing to be on that end, you're choosing love dito. Kaya magpo-forgive kayo, maghihingi kayo ng forgiveness, yung mga ganun ba, no? So that's really beautiful. So tingnan natin kung ano pa ang ganap dito for Leo. Ayan, so the Emperor energy. Ayan. So, nandito si Emperor energy. Everything will be back in order. Parang ngayon, magfo-focus na kayong muli, no? Sa inyong mga relationships, sa inyong family, sa inyong career, sa inyong negosyo, no? Whatever that is, na area ng buhay ninyo, na medyo nagkaroon kayo ng disconnect, no, recently, because siguro may mga distractions, or because siguro you were focused on something else, no? Kaya ngayon you will be back sa iyong center at babalik ka doon sa mga bagay na na-neglect ninyo, no? Aasikasuhin nyo ng muli. This is also about material success, no? So maaring makakatanggap din kayo dito ng material success, no? Maaring may ganong ganap, at maari din, no, na yung big happy changes na to, it's because of that material success ninyo. So maaring yan din ang pagmumulan ng isang malaking pagbabago, isang masayang pagbabago sa buhay ninyo, no? So, what else? We have Four of Pentacles. Ayan. So, this is about money, no? This is about money. So, when I'm picking up, maaring, this is the control naman over spending, no? Maaring, this is a reminder for some of you dito, Leo, na siguro, pagdating naman sa pagmamanage ng inyong pera, maaring hindi kayo doon kagalingan, ano? Maaring hindi yun ang forte ninyo. Kaya, this is a message for you, no? Na, take control of your spending, no? Manage your money wisely. So, maaring may mga bagay kayo dito na kailangan gawin na maaring hindi pa ninyo nagagawa para nang sa gayon, makontrol nyo talaga, 'di ba? Ang paggastos, ang pag-save, ang pag-allocate ng pera ninyo sa kung ano mang dapat puntahan, no? Yung mga ganun ba? So, maaring that is a reminder for some of you, no? So, what else? Queen of Wands. Ayan. Beautiful energy. Beautiful energy. Parang ano kayo dito? You're going to be very determined. You're going to be very decisive. You're going to be laser focused ngayon sa mga gusto ninyong gawin. No? You're going to put your time and effort dito into something na talagang parang yun ang goal ninyo. Kung ano man yung goal ninyo sa ngayon, you're going to do anything and everything in your power to make it happen, no? Talagang gagawin ninyo ang lahat. You're going to exert extra effort kung kailangan nang sa gayon ma-accomplish ninyo, ma-achieve ninyo, kung ano man yung goal ninyo. So, yun ang napipick up ko dyan for some of you. So, good luck. And that's all I have for you for today. I hope nakatulong ang mga mensaheng ito in some way. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.